I mean, yes, there was a long wait before I came across this subject and this script, which came from amazing duo Raj and DK. Uh, so I didn't have to think much about them. I mean, it was coming from them, so I was quite excited to hear it out. Uh, but 20 minutes of synopsis, and somewhere emotionally and mentally, I was ready to get into this. But before this, I had a chance of going through many scripts, and so I was uh, looking for something very new, something quite real and relatable, not only for this country, something that the entire world, you know,
Something for a global
yeah,
audience.
yeah, global audience. And this was a fantastic subject where I could just take a plunge into without even thinking about it.
The tagline does talk about a middle class guy who's also a world class spy. So obviously there's that balance that one has to strike. So in your real life, any problems with striking a balance? Like your real character in The Family Man?
I think each and every one of us who's sitting here, everyone has that difficulty, okay? But we managed to do it. We managed to do it because, somewhere in our mind, both the worlds are, very important for our survival, for our existence. Family is very important. But the work and duty and your passion, these are the things are also very important. So striking a balance, it takes a lot of effort from your side. But why, if you make an effort because you love both the sides of your life, that's why you make an effort. You don't make an effort for something which you don't like, which somehow, is of not of your interest. These are the worlds which is very important, for each and every one of us. That's why we do it.
Manoj, I have one more question for you. I was reading, I think DK's interview, one of his interviews online, and he says, what if we also had a world-class spy? Would he look as cool on the streets of, for example, Chembur? So, Manoj, did you feel very cool when you were shooting this series?
You see, generally I'm a cool guy.
That's the answer. That's the answer I was looking for.
I mean, who is cool? Cool is somebody who is, who believes in a community, who believes in, fairness, justice, who believes in modern thinking and modern approach. And I was getting a chance to work with the coolest of the directors, Raj and DK. So, and Amazon guys, I don't know whether you met them very closely or not. You guys are rock star, man.
A round of applause, please, for the entire Amazon team.
Yeah, Amazon team, I mean, the way they've been backing the project, Vijay and Aparna and entire team, I really thank you very much in having that kind of a conviction in the project and really, putting all your force behind this product, which all of us, so aggressively and emotionally believed in.
Thank you so much, Manoj. Priyamani, my next question is for you. You've had stints in the film, Hindi film industry with Ravan and Chennai Express. Now you're doing a 10 episode series. So how was the experience? Is it very different from the experiences you've had in the South Indian film industry?
I think a lot of my colleagues here from the South would agree with me that the platform is different, yes. The language is different. But apart from that, I think the shooting is pretty much the same. For me, language is not a problem because I know Hindi. Hindi was my second language in school. But yes, when compared to a film, for me personally, I would say we shot a little bit faster than what we normally shoot in a film. We shoot about 5-6 scenes a day, maybe 7 scenes a day, depending on the time and the location and things like that. But yeah, personally for me, apart from just shooting it faster, I don't think anything else is that. I think pretty much everything else is similar.
And how different is Suchi or Suchitra from the other characters that you've played?
Oh, she's a lot different. I've never played a character where, well, yes, bold and outgoing and outspoken, yes, that I've played in a lot of my films down south. But here, somebody who is the boss of the one who wears the pants in the house, who runs the household. She has to manage 2 kids. She has to manage the entire household when Shrikant is, half the time he's not at home. Something like that I've not played. And initially when the character was told to me by Raj sir and DK sir, I didn't know that I was a part of Family Man. So I went back home and I was just talking to myself. I said, am I doing Family Man or am I not doing Family Man? I mean, I've got the brief of Suchi, but I don't know if I'm doing it. I'm still confused. So my husband came and he said, listen, if they've told you the character of Suchitra, that means you're doing Suchitra. So congratulations, you're on Family Man. So don't even think twice about it. So I said, okay. So yeah, finally I'm getting to do a wonderful project like The Family Man on such a fantastic OTT platform like Amazon Prime Video coming in, and fantastic directors like Raj sir and DK sir directing the project, obviously working with the Family Man, Manoj sir. I mean, it's great. I've had a lot of fun working on this show.
Thank you. Neeraj Mahadev, how was it sharing screen space with Manoj?
First of all, hi everyone. I'm new to Mumbai. In case if you haven't recognized me, I'm a terrorist. That I look very different, I know. So I play Musa Rahman, a confused terrorist, I think. And this has been a great platform for me. Like I predominantly work in the Malayalam cinema, and I got a call from the casting agency, Mukesh Chabra, and they wanted me to audition for a role in a web series for Amazon Prime, directed by Raj and DK. So, I wasn't very sure of how important the part is, how big it is. So I just asked them, can you have somebody brief me on what exactly it is? I just want to know, to get an idea. So I was expecting a call from an AD or a script assistant, but one of the directors directly called me, Mr. DK called me, and he was like, Neeraj, this is so and so. He just briefed me the story in 20 minutes, and I was blown away. And a lot of new things for me, new to the OTT platform, my Hindi debut. I am quite excited, and yeah, to work with him, oh my God. I'll keep talking, so maybe I'll talk about it later, but it was a fantastic experience. I knew Priya, we are friends. I had a word with her about, listen, how big is this? And she's like, I think it's pretty big. You should do this.
That's a lovely reaction.
So, and
it's big. It's pretty big.
Yeah, so I was still confused, like, how important is my part going to be? So then I got invited for the table read. Only the primary characters get invited for the table read. So I was there with the team of Amazon, with Aparna and all those people. And, we were, that's when I met him. And, I was like, okay, this is big. So I was like, and right now, I think it is quite big. See, look at the whole setup. It is big, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Neeraj. Good. My next question is for you. What has been your experience working with Raj and DK?
Raj and DK are directors extraordinary, and I think that cannot be said often enough. I've enjoyed all their work before this, and when they reached out to me for this, I think it was about 3 minutes into the project discussion, that we realized we shared a very similar worldview of things, and that's about it. And when
You were sold on it then?
because of the people that they are. And then I was like, oh, so can we talk about the character now? Because the moment I met them, there was such incredible synergy in terms of the way we see the world. And I think that is the backbone of any working professional relationship, ideally even personal relationship, but it is the backbone. So for me, that was fantastic. I get to play a part that I've wanted to play my entire career. So I'm very, very, very excited.
The women on this show, they have an innate sense of strength with regard to the characters. So how similar are you to your real character, Gul?
So I've spent 30 years of my life in the armed forces. My father was in the army.
In fact, that's where I met you last, at one of the army functions.
So I've been preparing for this role all my life, so to speak. And it's incredible that it's finally come to me, a part where I don the uniform, so to speak. Not exactly, but in some way. I think what's also interesting is that this, and I wrote this on Twitter on the day the trailer came out, that this is the part that has come most naturally to me. The demeanor, the carriage, the personality that it takes for her to be a commanding officer of this detachment that will be seen in the series. It came very, very naturally to me. And to answer the question, am I like Saloni? I think all of us who've had a bit of experience in the craft have these files that we store in our hard disk. And the more time you spend in your craft, you have more files. So you can keep downloading the relevant file to bring into the character you play. So it's also a politer way of saying you're old. So you have lots and lots and lots of files saved away on your hard disk. So one pulls out those relevant files from one's life experience. And a lot of them came in very handy, especially the character that I played. So yes, I would say Saloni would be 80% of what Gul would be like.
That's
in
a
a nutshell.
huge chunk. All right.
80%.
Thank you so much, Gul. Sharif Hashmi, this is for you. You have most of your scenes with Manoj in The Family Man. So who do you think has stronger chemistry? Is it Suchitra and
I think it's
Shrikant,
me.
or is it
No, I will, hands down, I'll say it's J.K. Talpade, who has the better chemistry with Shrikant Tiwari than Suchi.
then Tuji?
नहीं, ये पहले ही एपिसोड में कहते हैं कि तुम्हारी पहली वाइफ तो जेके ही
Yeah,
है.
so he's my Sautan in a
मैं
way.
इनकी सौतन हूँ, इनकी छाती पे मूंग दलती हूँ.
And has this on-screen chemistry also translated off-screen?
Absolutely, absolutely. Never a dull moment when Manoj sir is around. And मतलब मैंने एक कहा था अभी रिसेंटली कि पहला दिन सिर्फ था जब मैंने अकेले अपने वैन में बैठ के खाना खाया था. जब से सर मिले
Then there was no turning back.
नो टर्निंग बैक. उसके बाद तो नाश्ता खाना चाय सोने के अलावा हमने सब साथ में कर लिया. वही जरूरी था.
Thank you, Sharif. Shreya, this is for you. You are the queen of the digital series.
Oh, am I?
Oh, of course you are. Absolutely. So how is it working for an Amazon original series, The Family Man? How was your experience
Does
with
this
it?
work? Oh, this works. Okay, awesome. I have actually had a fantastic relationship with Amazon and Amazon Prime. I've been doing their ads for like about 3 years. So I'm the veteran here, people.
No
Like-
wonder you have been given this accolade of being the queen of digital
My
series.
God,
Man.
I'm going to use
Come
this.
on, you
I'm actually going to take
embrace
this and
it.
run with it. Thank you. No, but this is the first time after the table read that we've all come together. I must say it is wonderful.
You know, it doesn't seem so. Because even backstage, you do not know this, when the sneak peek was on, the excitement levels backstage throughout this cast was hitting the roof. They were so excited. I haven't come across a more excitable
But that's
and
the
excited
thing.
cast
I was telling
together.
you earlier, this
Yes,
happens
you
to be
were.
a rare occasion where we all really like each other. Genuinely, we really like each other.
Okay, your character is a TSC intern in The Family Man, and you know it has a lot of chase scenes. So how did you prepare for it?
Did you see that? Wasn't that bad ass? Come on,
Come
guys,
on,
make
people.
some noise. That silence is not very encouraging. It was good, right? So, no, I mean, yeah, I play the intern who's fascinated by Shrikant Tiwari because she's studied him in her academy. And that, what you saw, was my first day at the job. Just imagine. That was my first day, and it only gets better from there. So.
There you go. It only gets better. Thank you so much. Sandeep Kishan, you make your digital debut with The Family Man. So how was your experience? How is it working with Amazon Prime? How is it working with Raj and DK?
Okay, so I'm going to, hello everybody once again. So I'm going to give a fun fact before I start off. I think this is my third collaboration with Raj and DK, and it's a very personal relationship to begin with, I think beyond professional, as in their family, and we kind of know each other in and out, like literally in and out. And so the fun fact being, when I was going to do Shore with them, so they had come to Hyderabad for an audio launch, which they had given the script for, and they saw me there, and they were like, you look our part, blah, 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 we are doing this film, you should do it. I'm like, oh my God, are you talking about Hindi? Because I was a boy from Chennai who was always flunked in Hindi all my life, who got an opportunity to do a Hindi film. So I come to Bombay and I'm sent to audition with Atul Mongia, the then casting director. So usually, this was like 10 years ago, 11 years ago. So usually when you go to an audition, especially at that age and when you're starting off, you like to take someone with you who's like your support system, like a friend or a brother or someone. So the person who came with me as my support system when I went to audition was DK. So
That is a
the
fun
director
fact.
DK was, and we had met for the first time at the audio launch. This was the third time we were meeting, or the second time. So he's standing next to me saying, "You can do it. You're going to do well. It's okay. It's going to be great." And I'm like, "Okay." So from there to here, it's been a great journey. And as far as the family man is concerned, I have to be honest. I think I forced myself into the show, so because it had been so long that I'd worked with them and I wanted to have fun. And I was like, DK, I don't know. I just want to do something in this. And then he called me, said, "There's something I'm going to call you." So I basically went to Kashmir to have fun. And then the kind of stuff my character did in the show, I was like, what? What? Wait, this character does this? He's like, yeah. I'm like, okay. So inherently, I was the guy who was always, the first shot was on at 6:30 because I'll have to like be there. DK, like DK will wake me up saying, get up, you're getting late. We have to leave at 6:30. So that's the vibe we have. And so that's our space. I don't know how else to define my space with them. And the other part, making the digital space debut with a brand like Amazon is something which is amazing because if you see from where I come from in our industry, most of our films are picked up by Amazon. I have some 9 films of mine on Amazon, I guess. So we are dependent a lot for them to take us to the audience. So that way, I'm really glad my second tryst with Hindi visual space is with Amazon, and again, it's with Rajan DK, so I'm really glad.
Thank you so much.
And I have to mention, thank you, Manoj sir, for being a sweetheart at every level. During the shoot of the show, flying kiss to him, if you can make a controversy out of it, you can. So love you, sir, and Gul as well. Thank you.
I have to mention one thing. All of us here who are on the stage we basically signed on to the project. Because of these 3 men in the center, I swear. And I want to confess a bunch of crimes that I did to get onto this show. I basically stalked and blackmailed both of them. And I said I just wanted to work with you, and I have to get on the show. They're like, "Arey, but listen to the part." No, I don't care, I'll do the story. Oh, that story to sun lo. No, I don't care, I'll do it. So, basically.
See, the trick is that...
फिर शूट पे पहुंचने के बाद सोचा कि पढ़ लेना चाहिए.
Exactly, वही हुआ. वैसे ही हमारा bonding भी हुआ गया.
See, let me tell I'm sure DK would have been the one who was pushing you to get the part. I mean, listen to the... yeah, no, I'm saying for you to listen to the part. Because that's his excitement, because he wants to tell you the story.
No, in fact, I'm really enjoying this banter. They don't need me. They honestly don't need me to ask any question. I'm just giving a little nudge, a little hint, because I know from the looks of it, you guys will take over. And I think that's the fun part of it, isn't it? But having said that, okay, Darshan, let me ask you. You make your digital debut with The Family Man. So how was your experience?
It was amazing. There are many reasons behind that. First, DK Rasan,
Ta-da-da!
there is saying 1 + 1 = 11. बचपन से सुनता आ रहा था, but first time practically I got to know after started working with them. Both complement each other like anything, and their vision, their passion for work, I don't have words for that. It's speechless. So that was amazing, and working with and my first digital with Amazon Prime, it's an amazing feeling because I watch lots of shows on Amazon Prime and I love them, and their content is amazing. And third is like, working with such a brilliant cast. Manoj Bhai, he's so, we all know, like he's supremely talented and so down to earth and so humble. So, and the entire cast, we had a great time, and so I'm very excited about this show.
Thank you. Sunny Hinduja, tell us more about your role in the show.
Hi. So again, as everybody would agree, I would not repeat, but I'm really thankful to be a part of the show, and of course Amazon. And Raj DK, the fantastic dynamic duo, has already explained. My role is in the task cell, the National Investigative Agency. It has a special cell called Task, and which is in which Manoj sir is the senior analyst, and we are at the additional task force. If there is anything, any threatening or anything that is required, any action is required, so we are in the special force. We come across and we get the job done under Srikanth Tiwari's guidance, and that is part essentially. And I really enjoy doing action and adventurous stuff, and I'm really thankful that I got to do that over here, the running around, the bullet shots and stuff like that. And one more thing I would like to add specifically is that, as Shreya said, we specifically did this show for Raj, DK, Manoj sir, and Amazon Prime. And of course, guns and action. But I want to mention this because I've been a huge fan of Manoj sir. And I've been, during my childhood, I've watched his films and aspired to be there. I'm sorry.
That was the one rule we were asked not to break.
No. My childhood was like few years back.
Good recovery. That was the good recovery.
बहुत जल्दी बड़ा हो गया था.
But I'm glad to get to share the screen space with such brilliant performer. And thanks to Raj DK, I think they are the pioneers of quirkiness and dry humor in Bollywood. So I want to really thank that.
I'm glad you mentioned that because Raj, my next question is for you. That how did the idea of a middle class guy who also happens to be a world class spy, where did the idea come to you from?
No, we wanted to make something that was a fresh take to the spy genre. So where we wanted to treat it like a government job.
Right.
Like a middle class guy, take out all the coolness out of it because he's anyway oozing with cool, like he said. So we took out all the glamour and coolness out of the character.
Right.
Everybody for that matter, and make it very grounded, very local version of a spy film or a spy show. That was the idea. But more than, besides that, I want to thank this wonderful crew. I just realized looking at all these good-looking, talented actors and two more there, this is unbelievable that all of these guys are showering so much praise on us, but it's really, I'm thankful to all of these guys to come together to do this show, because irrespective of the length of the part, they all felt they were doing something significant, which I believe we wrote it like that too. I'm missing our third partner, Suman Kumar, who wrote the show with us. But I'm really just more thankful right now looking at this whole team and Amazon, Aparna and Vijay and the whole marketing team who's really put their muscle behind this show. Usually it's really heartening to see that everybody's taken it personally,
Right.
that we are all feeling like one team. Usually it divides up, Tera kaam ho gaya.
Yeah, it's very
Ab humko karne
department
do.
centric. Yeah.
But I really like how everybody's come together on this show. I think it shows the spirit of the show that they've connected with. So I just want to take that the opportunity to thank everyone once more.
Okay, I still have to ask Shahab Ali. I think I mispronounced your name earlier. My
it's
apologies.
Shahab Ali.
Oh, it is Shahab. Okay, all right. So you also make your digital debut with The Family Man. Anything that you'd like to add by way of your experience?
Yes, I think मैं यहाँ पे सबसे नया हूँ और इनफैक्ट मैं मुंबई में भी नहीं था, मैं दिल्ली में था और थिएटर कर रहा था और MCCC से कास्टिंग का कॉल आया और ऑडिशन किया. सबसे पहली चीज़ जो उन्होंने मुझे बताई थी वो सब बोल ही चुके हैं, रिपीट नहीं करना चाहता हूँ कि राज एंड डीके से डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. मैं उनका फ़ैन रहा हूँ शोर इन द सिटी के टाइम से. तो जब पता चला ऐसा कुछ प्लान कर रहे हैं तो मुझे लगा कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, बहुत रियलिस्टिक होगा और मुझे बहुत पसंद है इस तरह का काम. तो लगा हाँ ऑडिशन देते हैं. मैंने इस रोल के लिए 1 महीना ऑडिशन किया है 4 कैरेक्टर्स के लिए. फाइनली साजिद हैपेंड. मैं ये बोल सकता था
अब तो बोल दिया.
अब तो बोल दिया,
ताला खुल गया.
ताला खुल गया. तो फाइनली ये हुआ और मनोज सर हैं उसमें, उनके साथ स्क्रीन शेयर करना मतलब एक सपने के सच होने जैसा है सच में. क्योंकि मुझे अभी भी याद है मैं नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा में पढ़ रहा था, हम लोग डिस्कस किया करते थे सर के, मतलब बात करते थे कि किसका कौन फेवरेट एक्टर है और ज़्यादातर लोग आपको पसंद करते थे बहुत ज़्यादा. और
FTI में भी यही है.
FTI में भी सेम है.
मैं वहाँ से
तो आपके पहले काम में आप अगर इस तरह के एक्टर के साथ स्क्रीन शेयर करते हो, मतलब मुझसे ज़्यादा लकी मुझे नहीं लगता कोई होगा इस वक्त यहाँ पे जितने लोग मौजूद हैं क्योंकि मैं लिटरली पहला काम है और इससे बेहतर शो, इससे बेहतर प्लेटफॉर्म, इससे बेहतर को एक्टर्स, इससे बेहतर डायरेक्टर्स मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था.
Thank you so much. That's very sweet of you to say. Abrar Kwazi, in this series, you use your pen to fight for equality. How was your experience with the Family Man?
It was an amazing experience to work for Amazon Prime, such a huge platform. And when I heard Raj sir and DK sir are directing the series, I'm a big fan of their work. Go Goa Gone is one of my favorite films. So I was very excited to work with them. And then I also came to know that Manoj sir is playing the lead part in the show. And like everybody here said that they are the fans of Manoj sir. I am one of the biggest fans of him. Right from Satya to Gangs of Wasseypur. I mean, उनके साथ screen space share करना, yeah, even being in the same series as him is an honor for me. And I feel it has been, I'm really lucky to be in the series.
And I think all of us are very lucky that there is such a stellar star cast, even the men behind the content, of course, Raj and DK as well. And this wonderful series will be launched in just 3 more days. I have one more question. This one is for you, Gul. I hear that you speak Kashmiri in the series. Did you know it? Did you have to learn the language, take lessons?
So the tricky thing here is that half the world believed I was Kashmiri for like 20 years. From the time that I sort of came into showbiz, I think the name Gul, which is short for Gulkirat Kaur Panag, if they'd known that, they probably wouldn't have thought that I'm Kashmiri. But it's a shorter name. I could blame it on the massive number of schools I've had to change, 14 to be precise. So it's easier name to get your classmates and teachers to pronounce. And I actually made my television debut with a series called Kashmir. And somehow that solidified the impression that I was Kashmiri. And I think somewhere deep down, I'm not sure, the directors probably had the same impression. So then here I was, stuck. And of course, by the time we began shoot, it became quite clear that I wasn't Kashmiri, because obviously these kind of things you can't hide. And then I had to say these lines in Kashmiri.
Right.
But fortunately, we had very good diction help on set, which helped us what we think will be the right intonation and modulation and delivery of the Kashmiri lines. But only our Kashmiri friends will be able to tell us whether we've got that right.
DK wanted to say something.
We all thought she was a Kashmiri. Firstly, the name Gul and everything you heard from her. So I was a little surprised when she said she's not. Then I said, maybe you're part Kashmiri, your grandfather, grandparents, somebody.
Trying to convince him.
He's like, no.
Well, that bubble has been burst. Did you want to say something? No. Okay. I think.
Want me to?
No, only if there's something you want to share. Okay. Can I also get Vedant Sinha and Mehak Thakur?